Hello guys, this is Gabriel from Genius Audio USA, again from our woofer wall. Today we're going to talk to you about a special woofer, which is the G8 15 inch. So let me put it on the table so I can show you some more specs about this woofer. Alright guys, this is a rubber surround. As you see, it's a different surround from our previous models because it's stronger surround. Again, paper cone, dual stitching. On our competition series, something really important is that this is a step up and this is going to be an aluminum basket. You have 1,000 watts RMS, 15 inch dual voice coil with push terminals. As you can see, the stitching here will go on the tin cells, will go on the spider, so it will give you a stronger woofer. And as well, something really important about this woofer is the voice coil. It's a round copper wiring. So again, stay tuned for more videos like this one. This is a very strong woofer. 15 inches, the new trend. Go for it. Buy it on our website, geniusaudioUSA.com, and stay tuned for more tech products.